So my seedlings were struggling and I bought a few upgrades. Basically these two grow lights that you can see here that just clip onto the shelving here, and then this self-watering seed starter. And in just 3 days of setting this up, I've already noticed a difference. And we'll look at how to get this thing started.
I'm gonna trust my intuition.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome into this video, and let's take a look at this self-watering seed starting unit. Got it from Lee Valley. It's made out of styrofoam. It's a great unit. You'll see exactly what you need to do to set this up and how it works. I also picked up these two grow lights. They were about $40 each from Amazon, and they seem to be actually helping these tomatoes and peppers grow more straight and less leggy, so I'm happy about that. And I've also used it to start my new lettuce seedlings. So let's get into the setup of this self-watering seed starter. This is every component that it comes with. It comes with a clear dome for a greenhouse effect. This is the actual seeding tray, and this stand here actually is used to push the seedlings out once they're finished. Now there's holes in the bottom of this because it pulls water from the bottom up. This is the capillary or capillary, whatever you want to say, mat. That's what pulls the water, and this is the gauge to tell you how much water is actually in the basin. So to start, you're going to fill up these holes with a high quality potting soil for best results. You're going to want this to be slightly compressed because it does have to hold inside that vessel without falling through the bottom. And you can actually use this stand here to compress it, and it kind of makes perfect holes for you to seed in too. So I just kind of decided to leave it as is, and that's where I was going to throw my seeds. Now you're going to throw your capillary or capillary mat through the slots, and this will actually sit in the basin like you can see here and pull water up from that and then water the plants from beneath. So you're going to put your water gauge in, and then you're going to fully drench this mat to make sure that you have it fully soaked with water so that it will actually provide water to the plants. Now on the left you'll see the gauge rise as the water rises in the basin, telling you how much water. They say that the water should last about 2 to 3 days in there before you need to top it up, but that's basically all you have to watch. You just have to watch that gauge, make sure it has water, and make sure that the soil has good contact with that mat below. At this point, we're going to throw our seeds in. I got 2 varieties of lettuce. I split it down the middle, so we're going to have the 12 romaine and 12 leaf lettuce. And yeah, I have 2 setups of this. So I'm going to put one in direct sunlight, and I'm going to put one underneath the grow lights. We're going to see what does better. After this, you're going to cover it up with potting soil, and you're going to give it a little bit of extra water just to help it germinate. You're going to cover this, and you're going to set it under your lights or in the sun, and that's it. Super quick, super easy. Anyways, as always, you can find the most recent video in the top left, a related video in the bottom left, and the subscribe button on the right hand side. Make sure you stay tuned to see the comparison video of the one that was in the sun and the one that was under the lights.